eBay have still got me banned. Yes, the MC011. And now eBay want me to refund the cases that are already been delivered. So let's deal with the rumors first. Of course, the comments are saying that I have not dealt with the items not received. That isn't the case. We have worked very, very hard to update tracking information with the people that are just impatient by a day or two. When eBay say it was supposed to be delivered, remember, we are located in Northern Ireland. There's going to be times of the 1,661 items that we sent that some items just might be a little bit slower across that big ocean we call the Irish Sea. We respond to every INR case. If that's the case, why is my other anchor store in good working condition? Our ability to deal with customer cares has been absolutely top rated from day one. I've been here and doing this for 23 years. And if I wasn't doing a good job, surely I would be out of business by now. The problem isn't ignoring the INRs. The problem is customers not dropping the case after they receive the item. And the tracking shows with eBay that it was delivered, and yet they are not auto cancelled by eBay. However, eBay don't care. They're using this against us. So the numbers speak for themselves. In just 3 weeks, we've done 1,661 parcels. And that is what scared the bots of eBay, not my 10 INRs that the customers never dropped. Only 2 of them cases were real. 2 of the 12 cases of refunds are still outstanding. And yet eBay still, right now, hold it against us, saying that myself, my company, and my staff are a danger to the eBay community. And yet, the other channel seems to be grand. Work that one out. But instead of congratulating us, eBay are punishing us, stopping our system and allowing cash flow to fail. This has really stopped how we deliver our customer service to our customers. This will affect how we do business. Their response, or eBay's response, is just refund them. Bribing me, pushing me, forcing me to go against my very principles that I do not give anything away for nothing. And yet I have to do it in order to keep my business going. They're not even waiting for return tracking. They simply want instant refunds. Delivered or not, returned or not, they just want me to give it all back. So what kind of company is there that asks for me to refund thousands of pounds to customers in order to earn the privilege of having some CSR to look at our account? This is unfair practice. Now, there's something I just can't ignore anymore. Why is this happening to me? Why is this happening to my staff? Is it because I'm a YouTuber who critiques anything or any wrongdoing that eBay do, despite my service to my customers, despite the tracking rate, and despite the aftercare that I've given them for the last 23 years? It's funny how I recall a documentary that claims that eBay cyberstalked and harassed and made the lives of a couple in America terribly, terribly disgusting behavior, where they cyberstalked and 5 employees of eBay were jailed as a consequence of harassing people who have got something critical to say about eBay in a negative format. Now, I'm a YouTuber and I speak plainly, and I will criticize eBay when things go wrong. This isn't something I'm unwilling to talk about and bow my head to the mighty eBay because they've killed my business and I've lost revenues of 400 to 800,000 pounds a year. I'm gonna complain because eBay don't listen. Well, this is the best format to complain, and it makes you all understand as potential eBayers, maybe current eBayers, maybe just deciding to give up, maybe you're deciding to start. You then have to make that active choice whether you want to get to this level that I'm at and be punished for doing well. To eBay, we're not doing anything wrong. We're doing the best we possibly can. We live in an area where it will always take one day more. And if our sales at 1,661 parcels in 3 weeks, well, there is a chance that there's going to be a percentage of them will claim that they're late. That's just the way it is because of geographical location. To the seller community, wake up. If this can happen to me with a sales record of just 1,661 parcels in 3 weeks with a total value of £29,000, of which I paid £7,000 to service that £29,000 to eBay. If it can happen to me, it can happen to you. eBay built their empire with sellers like us, but now they're too big to care and way too arrogant to listen. They've invited me to the Open on October. Maybe I will be uninvited once I announce this. eBay, if you're watching, I would highly advise you to reach out to me because I am forming a union. I have 30,000 subscribers now, and I intend to make some use of that by making sure that eBay in the UK will start to listen to sellers and stop this MC11 tripe that you continually force upon sellers, ruining their career, ruining their livelihoods. I'm going to put a stop to it. So this is part 2 of the MC11, and I will keep documenting this because I'm not just fighting for my shop. I'm fighting for every decent eBay seller out there that's trying to make it happen, trying to make it work. You can take my sales, but you'll never take my voice.